एवरीवन, आज हम एक्सेल का इंटरफेस जानेंगे। तो शुरू करते हैं। ये हमारे क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार है। दीज आर द क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार। इफ आई टॉक अबाउट टेब्स, सो दीज आर द टेब्स: फाइल, होम, इंसर्ट, रो, पेज लेआउट, formulas, data, review, view, help. These are the tabs. If I talk about ribbon, so these are the ribbons, and this is called group. Clipboard, font, alignment, number, style, cell editing are known as group. And this is a formula bar, and this is name box. And intersection of row and column are known as cell, and this vertically are known as column, and this horizontally are known as row. And this is the column name, and this is the row name. And this plus button is used to create the sheet. When I click on this, it will create one more sheet. And collection of row and column are known as sheet, and collection of sheet are known as workbook. And here are two buttons. This button is used to zoom in the sheet, and this plus button is used to zoom out the sheet. Here these three buttons are here, and this one is used to minimize the sheet, and this one is used to maximize the sheet, and this one is used to close the sheet. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.